YouTube. Welcome back, physics fans. Here we go. We're going to do question number 3 from the conversion worksheet. Okay, converting 3.2 times 10 to the 10th millimeters per year to meters per second. Okay, so we start off, we'll write it down, 3.2 times 10 to the 10th. Now, if you haven't done scientific notation with me, that just means it's a really big number. It's 32 million, nope, billion. That's how big that number is, because we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spots. That's what that means. But we'll learn that in just a moment. Okay, that's how big that number is. And the units on that are millimeters per year. And we want to convert it to meters per second. So we'll have to have a conversion bracket. Let's handle the millimeters first, the one that might come naturally. Here we go. We'll put millimeters down below, and we want meters. So we'll put meters up top, and we'll make a conversion bracket out of it. How many meters are in a millimeter, or how many millimeters are in a meter? Well, it's 1,000. 1,000 millimeters is 1. There's our first conversion bracket. Let's do our time conversion brackets now. Okay, the next one, we'll want to get rid of the year. So we'll put year up top here. Okay, and do we know any other ones? We won't use months because each month has a different number of days. So we'll use days here. And we will only go to 3, so 3 sig figs. So 1 year is 365 days. We could go 365.2425 and go on, but we'll just leave that. We'll show you the answer differences. There's not too much of a difference if you go to 4, 5, or 6 sig figs. Okay, the next one, we got to get rid of days now. Why? Okay, let's just go and cancel units right now. Millimeters and years. So we're now in meters per day, but we want meters per second. So we have to convert that day to seconds. So we have 1 day, and we need to have a different unit underneath. Okay, and that unit is, we're going to go to probably to hours, bring it down. We can't go right to seconds unless you know that it's 86,400. So we'll just say it's 24 hours in a day. So this is what I want you to do. I don't want you to memorize that 86,400. And now the hours, we'll put the hours up top here to cancel these hours. And we'll go right to seconds. So hours per second is 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Okay, because there's 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in each of those minutes. So 60 times 60 is 3,600. That's one of the ones I asked you to memorize. Well, the only one I asked you to memorize. So now that we've got it, let's just confirm that the units all cancel out. So the day will cancel out with the day, the hours there, and the units that are left, meters up top and seconds down below. So the units are in meters per second, and that's what we wanted. Okay, just one. Here we go, and we'll pull up the calculator, and we'll do this calculation now. Now that we have the right units, we just go through the calculations. So I have to type in that very large number, or I'll put it in scientific notation in the calculator, and that is going to be 3.2 EE to the 10. Then I divide it by 1,000, divide it by 365, divide it by 24, and divide it by 3,600. So I do all those divisions, divide it by 1,000, divided by 365, divided by 24, and divided by 3,600 seconds in an hour. And I get an answer of 1.0147, and that's meters per second. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments.